Hello children, welcome back to your art classes, and in today's class we will learn how to make a boy and a girl's portrait. And we will start with the girl, but as you can see I have divided my sheet in by making a single line. So one side I will make a girl and another a boy. So just let's start it. You need a pencil, art file or a sheet you can use. And we are starting with the girl. First, what you have to do, take a center line of the face, make a oval shape, now we're going to divide it. You have to divide this oval into 3 equal parts. You can take measurements like this or like this. Make the lines. And you will get 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And now we are going to divide them with our features. How are we going to divide them? Let's just watch it. In this first line, we're going to make eyebrows. And eyes here, just a small gap, and nose we will end here, and lips you can divide the third part into half and divide the upper part again, and you will make lips into this part. Got it? And second, ears. Ears will be always be in between eyes and your lips line. You can measure your own face side by side and check the measurements. And again, while making the eye, suppose we're making an eye here, you should have one eye gap in between two eyes. How you can measure it? Again, 1, 2, 3. There should be 3 equal parts for eye, center one and 2 sides one. So between 2 eyes you can measure yourself also. Just put fingers on your eyes and measure it. Should have one eye gap in between 2 eyes. You can make big eyes as we are making a girl. And in between, nose. The tip of the nose will end at this point. Let's see how to make nose easily. One circle in the center and 2 all shaped circles on two sides and just join them like this, and you will get your nose. And you can erase this part. Got it? Next we will move to the lips. So I have told you how to divide lips. The third part you have to divide half, and the upper half you have to divide once more, and you will get measurement of lips. Now second part, your nose should be ending this end. Where your eyes starting, your nose should be ending here. You can measure your face similarly, and line of your eyeballs and your smiling face, lips should be same. Let's just make the lips now. And now chin, the third part. You have to see the shape of the face you're going to make, whether it's owl, sharp or rectangular. Now we will make her hairs. For the hairs, you have to divide head into a small part. You can give her any hairstyle of your wish. This is how you can make her head and then hairs. Ears will get hide between hairs. And the neck. So this is how you can make a girl face. You have to remember the measurements. Similarly, you can make a boy face. There is no difference, just a little bit difference you will feel, mostly in hairs. Similarly, make the center line, owl face. Again divide it into 3 parts. I'm taking the same measurements. You can divide it like this also. Same parts. 1, 2, 3. And again eyebrows in the first division line. So I am making a boy, so eyebrow will be thicker. It will depend upon individual features whether the eyes and eyebrows how they will look. And again the eye a bit lower, one eye gap in between, 3 eyes you can make of similar size. Eyeballs, you can shade the eyeballs also. And the line also you can make. We all have the line when we open our eyes, a slight fold we get. Okay, and then the nose. It will end here. Again nose, one circle, second 2 small circles. You can make different kind of features with similar method. Now lips, again divide the lower part, divide it once again, the upper one, and the lips. Again it will be same, and smiling. If your face you are making it's not looking smiling, then it could be smaller than this area. Okay, again chin here. And ears, eyes, lips. We all have different type of ears, different shape and other features also. Now we will make head, the hair part. You can divide it like this, a small, and then we can make different hairstyles. But I'm making a simple head shape first. From here. So this is how you can make a body. And the neck. Okay, so practice these faces and measurements. You can measure your own face. Just put some fingers above head and measure it this till eyebrow, head to eyebrow, eyebrow to nose, and nose to chin. You will find all areas will be equal. Again, the line, you can check the line, the starting of your eyes and the ending of your nose. Again, smile, just make a smile and check eyeball with ending line of your smiley lips, and then ears with starting with eye and ending with lip line. Okay, so try this and learn how to make portrait easily. You can, more you practice, more you get to learn how to make them accurately. I hope you like the video. Keep practicing, students. Bye bye, take care.